so that we can go on. All right, if you still need to stop me, write these down. If you have questions, make sure you message me so that I know where you're at. All right, the next one. We're looking at number 6. 6 reads, Maxwell has 14 books, same mystery series. The number of pages in each book are 112, 108, 95, 88, 96, 105, 115, 114, 85, 87, 90, 96, 116, and 98. Whew, lots of numbers. Okay, so those are all the numbers that are in those pages. Maxwell makes a stem and leaf plot of the data. Which stem has the most leaves? All right, which one is is it stem number 9 that would have the most leaves, 11, 10, or 8? All right, let's think about this. If I have a stem and I have a leaf, here's what I have. What's the first one? There's an 8. Okay, I have 3 with an 8 in the tens place, and then it'll be marked 5, 7, 8. So I can cross those out, cross it out, cross it out. All right, now am I going over to the next one? Let's look at this. I have my 9s, and it's 95, 96, 90, and 96, and 98. So actually I'm going to have a 0 for my 90. Cross that out. Then I have 195, put a 5 here. I have 296, cross those out, 6, 6, and then I have a 98. Wow, that's a lot of leaves. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves here. All right, let's look at the hundreds. Now remember we said that we had 0. See, this is going to be we have 105. Takes care of that. 108. Takes care of that one. And now we're in the 11s. And I start off with 12. 112. 114. 115. 116. All right, out of these, which stem has the most? Yes, stem number 9, you're absolutely right, has the most. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 leaves. Here's 4 leaves, here's 2 leaves, and 3 leaves. I'm going to put in parentheses 3. This was 5. This is 2 leaves, and this is 4 leaves. So stem number 9 has the most leaves. Okay, so kind of soak that in. This is a review from 4th grade, so you shouldn't have too much confusion except for kind of joggling the brain or juggling around and making sure that you're understanding the whole concept. All right, number 7. Zara counts the number of raisins in several boxes of raisins. Now, she wants to make a stem and leaf plot to show the data. Well, here's what she did. Number of raisins in a box. There we go. One had 72, one had 80, 88, 95, 98, 75, 90, 86, 91, 95, 74, 88. What are the leaves for the stem? So what leaves are you going to have here? Leaves. So I know that I'm going to have a 0. So this is right, this is right. These can't be it because there's no 0. I know I need to have a 1, a 2, 1. Where did I get 2? Oh, this is where I messed up. Stem 9. So I don't even need to look at anything else except for 9. I hope y'all caught that. Wow, I'm just batting 100 today, right? Well, I don't want to stop the recording. I just want to let you know that if you're not reading it and your eyes are really tired, and these things can happen, so make sure that you're paying close attention. So I'm only looking at what are the leaves for the stem 9. So 9 I have 0, and these don't have it. The 9 I have 5, this has it. Oops, here's the other one, because it's like both of them have 1s. Okay, so I have that one, this one, they both have 5s, but this one shows only 1 5. This one here has the 2 5s and the 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is B. All right, look at all the work that I showed. If I didn't show any of my work, I wouldn't have caught my own mistakes. And I wouldn't be able to say, oh, wait, go back and then double check your work. So please pay close attention and please show all your work on how you did it. That's what they're going to be asking. You won't have to set up a stem and leaf plot. They're going to already give you a scenario, a story with it, and then ask you questions about the stem and leaf. So you really want to make sure that you're understanding it. And number 8, let's go here. Well, Lincoln Heights Elementary School held a student council election. Now, the data shows the number of votes each candidate received. Wesley makes a stem and leaf plot of the data. So let's go ahead and use this stem and leaf plot so that we can answer the next 4 questions. What is the number of stems that Wesley needs? All right, well, there's 4, there's 3, 5, 6. I already had 3, right? Yep. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. So the answer is 4. I need a 4, I need a 3, I need a 5, and I need a 6. That's going to be in my stem and leaf. So just to verify, stem, starting off with least to greatest, it's 3, then I have 4, then I have 5 and 6. Those are my only stems. Which statement about the stem and leaf plot is true? So let's look over here at number 9. There will be more stems than leaves. Are there going to be more stems than leaves? Is that possible? You could. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, but I know that I'll have more leaves than just the 4 stems. So will there be more stems than leaves? No. There's going to be more leaves than stems, but not more stems than leaves. So this is a false statement. The stem 6 will have only 1 leaf. Okay, so I'm going to look at stem 6. Well, here's 60. So the leaf will be, stem 6 will have only 1 leaf. No, it's not going to have a leaf. It's going to just, 0 is the hero. It's holding the spot. Oh, yes, it does. Here we go, 64. It's going to have 0 and then 4. There, it has 2 leaves. I'm so sorry. So it has 2 leaves. So this is not, because it will have, so it's thinking that you were just going to put 4 and not the 0. That's where it was at. So it's going to have 2 leaves. There will be 15 leaves in all. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So 5 times 3 groups of 5, 5, 10, 15. 15, that's absolutely right, because I have 15 numbers. So there's going to be a total of 15 leaves. Try D. The number that occurs most often is 4. Well, 4 is in the tens place. Or in the ones place. The number that occurs most often is 4. So I'm looking at here and I can see, I know that's a false statement. I'm looking at counting them up. But the number that occurs most often is 4. I'm looking to see, I don't have, it's in their different stems, but I'm not sure what they were talking about. So that's not a, I see lots of 4s. I see them as a 10s and I see them as a 1. But are they referring to, and what stem are they talking about? So it doesn't make any sense. Number 10. How many more leaves will be on the stem of 4 than the stem of 3? All right, so I'm looking at stem 3. Now we go ahead and plot here. I have 30, 32. You see any more? So this is gone. The 4s, I have, 34 right here. Just came across that, and I'm going to put 4. All right, now I'm done with my 30s. Going to 40s, I have 41. There's 43. Right here, 35. Right. It's kind of like batting 100 here. I'm seeing these all in the corner. Okay, so I had 41, 43, 44 twice, 45, and 47. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. Number 5, that's a 50, so I have the stem for 50 or for 5. So I'm going to start off, oops, I forgot to cross that one out. Making sure. So I have 50. Close that out. There's 52 and 53. 60, I have the 0 and I have a 4. Alright, so now which one of these, how many leaves will be on the same stem of 4 than the stem of 3? So 4, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And so what is the difference? Well, 6 minus 4 equals, the difference is 2. And the last one is how many stems will have more than 3 leaves? So how many stems have more than 3 leaves? Well, this stem does. It's 1 stem, 2 stem, and that's it. There's only 2 stems that have more than 3 leaves. All right. Thank you so much for watching for tonight's math lesson. I will see you tomorrow. Please don't forget your homework. You also had your language arts. Week 23 is going to be due on Friday. If you have any questions, please message me down below. Down below. Type me a message and let me know if you have any questions. All right. Take care. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.